Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you 10 make ahead freezer meals with back to school like right around the corner. Freezer meals honestly are a lifesaver. I remember being a working mom and I remember the absolute chaos that was nighttime. You know, you get home at 5:30, everybody's tired and hungry, no one wants to cook. So just meal prepping and freezer cooking honestly saved my life like years ago. And I've really fallen out of it, but I want to get back into it. So I figured that I would just share what I'm doing with you guys today. These are all chicken recipes. We do eat a lot of chicken in our house. I do try to mix it up, and I do think that I have 10 really good, very varied recipes. I think that a lot of people will like something, you know. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, I think that obviously these recipes aren't strictly for back to school. They can be used year round, but I really think as like a busy parent, they are a total lifesaver. These are all like no cook freezer meals. So that means that there's not really any prep before you freeze them. A lot of freezer meals, you have to like cook the food, then freeze it. None of these are like that. So yeah, it should go pretty quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And also I'm sharing with you guys, oh my God, I can't believe I forgot to tell you. I'm also sharing you guys a grocery haul of everything that I got for the freezer meals, as well as a few other things. I filmed that portion yesterday, so we'll cut to that and then we will jump back to this. All right, Ev, why don't you tell them what we got?
We got a cereal.
We did get cereal, yeah.
Bread.
Yes, yep.
And
butter.
Mm-hmm. And sausage.
Yeah, yep.
And I don't know what it is.
Oh, that's onion soup mix.
Okay, I'll say onion soup mix. And
CROCKPOT liners.
Pot liners.
Yeah, I got 2 boxes, yeah.
And we got garlic and mustard.
That's salad dressing.
Oh, that's salad mustard. And
bags. So to pick up where Evelyn left off, I got freezer bags because it was all out, and since we're doing so much meal prep, I definitely needed them. I get a bunch of different kind of just like staples that I need for the meal prep. I have a lot of recipes that are calling for honey. I have soy sauce, Italian dressing, Dijon mustard. I actually don't need the blue cheese for my meal prep, but this is just my favorite, so I always have it in the house. I needed more ketchup. If you guys watched my last video, or maybe 2 videos ago, I have an Instapot now. And a lot of the recipes that I have are calling for chicken broth, so I just kind of wanted to stock up. This is always a staple in my house. This is my favorite, like, snack. Oh my goodness. Our favorite mac and cheese ever. It's kind of like I don't want to say organic, but like a healthier, a less processed version of Velveeta. So I always stock on those. I don't know if these were on sale or not. But these were, I don't know how to pronounce this name, Alexia, I think that's it. If you haven't tried this brand, it is a little bit more of a pricier brand, but it's really, really good. I love everything that they do. Their onion rings are really good. So I got the rosemary fries and I got the potato puffs. I got Kicks for Evelyn. She picked those out. Lemons. I got a bunch of like seasoning packets. A lot of the recipes that I'm making call for seasoning packets, which is why you saw the onion soup mix as well. I have cannellini beans. I'm going to make buffalo quinoa balls, which I've actually done on my channel before. I will link that in the description box as well. I have garlic and onions, cream cheese. I have a ton of frozen veggies. I also bought some fresh spinach. Texas toast was on sale for 2 for $5, so I got that. We needed more butter, so I got more butter. Where else? We needed more rice. A lot of these recipes, again, I'm either gonna like serve them over rice or pasta, so I definitely wanted to stock up on this. And then blueberries were actually buy one, get one free, so I stocked up on those. And these are just like a staple if you're cooking in your crock pot like frequently. These are just the best thing ever, and you never have to clean up. It's the best. Strawberries, and then tomorrow, it's not a freezer meal, but tomorrow I'm going to be making a chicken in my Instapot for the first time, so I stocked up on it. So now you saw everything that that I bought. I got chicken, I think for $32. I got 20 pounds of chicken, and I got it on sale. I think I already said this. I got it on sale for $1.59 a pound. I got boneless, skinless chicken breasts, so that is a really good deal as far as I'm concerned. So I'm super excited. I'm super excited to just have a bunch of delicious, ready to go food, like at the ready. I don't have to think about it. I can just wake up in the morning, throw it in the crock pot, and be done. So I'm super excited. So let's jump into meal prep. So real quick before we start cooking, I kind of forgot. I wanted to just talk to you guys briefly about cooking times. So like I said, I've cooked, I think about 5 or 6 of these meals before, and they are made for the crock pot, or you can just throw them in the oven. There were many times where I like forgot, I took them out too late and I couldn't get them in the crock pot on time, so I just let them defrost throughout the day, and they cook totally fine in the oven. And I'm sure some of them actually can be used in the Instapot as well. I'm still pretty new with the Instapot, so I don't want to guarantee that, but either way, these are fine in the crock pot or the oven. Usually in the oven, I do like 350 or 400. For 400, I usually do like 35 to 40 minutes. And then for a crock pot, a lot of these recipes say on low for 4 to 6 hours, so that is what I'm going to do. Also, I'll have every single recipe listed down below and the blogs that I get them from. None of these recipes are mine, and I don't want to take credit for them. It's very rare that I make a recipe up. So definitely check the description box if you're interested. And like I said, I'll link right to the blog so you guys can check it out there like directly. I want to give credit where credit's due. So that's really all I have for cooking instructions. Like I said, these are really easy, and what I like about them most is that they're all no cook. I think I already said that, but so there's no like pre-cooking. You just make them and throw them in the freezer, and then when you're ready, you start cooking them. So that's awesome. So let's get cooking. Okay, so all I did here was I bought 20 pounds of chicken, and I just cut it up and portioned it out into freezer bags. A lot of these recipes call for like 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken. I didn't measure them. I just kind of eyeball it, and like I kind of know what or like how much chicken we'll eat, so that's how I just portioned these out. But here's all my recipes. We actually had some chicken left over. I think I had 14 bags altogether, and I'm only making 10, so I just put the 4 other in the freezer, and I don't know, do whatever with those. But these are my recipes. This is what I'm making this week. We're making lemon mustard chicken, honey mustard chicken, savory Italian, creamy Italian, French chicken, cafe de Rio, maple mustard, honey sesame, pesto ranch, and lemon butter. We've had, I think, about 5 or 6 of these, but some of these are new to me, so let's get prepping. See me? Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna start with some of the easier ones. I'm gonna do pesto ranch first, and then I'm gonna do French chicken. So French chicken is 1 can of whole berry cranberry sauce, a cup of French dressing, and a pack of onion soup mix. And then pesto ranch is pesto and ranch sauce. So let's start. Okay, 2 down, 8 to go. So what is next? Let's do Cafe Rio chicken, and let's do savory Italian chicken. So Cafe Rio chicken is half a bottle of Italian dressing, a ranch packet, a half a cup of water, 2 cloves garlic, and a half a teaspoon of chili powder and cumin. I'm probably not going to like exactly measure the chili powder or the cumin. I'm just gonna eyeball that. But and then the savory Italian is 2/3 a cup of Italian dressing, a 1/4 cup soy sauce, garlic and onion powder, and pepper, all of which I'm just gonna eyeball. So I'm gonna double bag this, the Cafe de Rio chicken. This is super watery and I'm just afraid that it would leak, so I am just gonna double bag that one. But the rest of them, I'm not double bagging them. Okay, so next let's do honey mustard chicken and maple mustard chicken. Oh, so honey mustard is a half a cup of honey, 4 tablespoons Dijon, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 large garlic cloves, and salt and pepper. And then maple mustard is 4 tablespoons Dijon, 2 teaspoons whole grain mustard. I don't have that, so I'm just not going to use it. I'm probably just going to use yellow mustard. 2 tablespoons maple syrup and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and some salt. So let's go. Measuring spoon.
Where is it?
Oh no. See, I broke it.
Let me see. Oh.
Yeah.
Mom, go show Dad.
No. Okay, so let's do lemon mustard chicken. That's a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of Dijon, a tablespoon of lemon juice, which I'm definitely not going to measure, 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper, which I actually forgot to buy that, so maybe I'll have to pick that up and I'll just remember to add it at the end or add it when I'm cooking it. A teaspoon of Italian seasoning and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Okay, so I'm running into a little bit of a mishap. I ran out of pepper, of course. Like, I got everything else, but I totally forgot spices. So I don't have any cayenne pepper and I don't have any regular pepper. So I'm just gonna have to remember to add those when I am putting these, like when I am cooking them. So for the lemon mustard chicken, I'm gonna put a little teeny tiny bit of chili powder in, not a lot at all, just a little teeny tiny bit. And then I will just have to remember to pick up lemon pepper seasoning, regular pepper, and what else do I need? I think that's it. Honey sesame chicken now. That's a cup of honey, a half a cup of soy, a half diced onion, which I'm gonna make Chris cut up for me. A half cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2 cloves of garlic, and a little bit of red pepper flakes. So that's next. I'm not using a full thing of honey here. They're saying for a full cup, and I just don't want to open the other one. I'm using 12 ounces, so almost. Only 2 more! Woo! Ooh, ooh. So I have creamy Italian chicken and I have lemon butter. Lemon butter is super easy. It's 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, and pepper. I don't have pepper, so there's that. And then when you cook it, you just cook it with an entire stick of butter. So I'm not gonna freeze the butter. I'm just gonna add that in when I throw it in the crock pot. And then creamy Italian chicken is just 8 ounces of cream cheese, a packet of Italian seasoning, and cream of chicken soup. So super easy. Hey guys, real quick, so Editing Jessica is here, and I am so sorry, but I did not hit the record button when I was making my creamy Italian chicken, the one recipe I just mentioned. It's super easy, guys. I just heated up like a block of cream cheese just to room temperature, not super hot, and then I mixed in a can of cream of chicken soup, and I added in my packet of Italian seasoning, like dressing mix. That's it. It's super easy. I just mixed that up together in a measuring cup, and I just poured it into the bag, like the freezer bag with the chicken, mixed it up all together, and I froze it. That's it, guys. I'm so sorry that I forgot that one recipe, but honestly, it was so easy that I feel like I could just talk about it over a voiceover and you guys would get it. So back to the video. All right, guys, so here's all my freezer meals. All 10 of them are done. You definitely can label these bags if you want, like what they are. I'm not going to do that because I'm a rebel. And honestly, I just forgot, and it's a pain in the butt to write on these bags once they have food in them. So yeah, every night will be a mystery, but I'm really happy with all of these meals, so it won't be that bad. Okay guys, so that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you got something from it. I am all about freezer meals. Like, I'll be totally honest, since I became a stay-at-home mom, I definitely haven't been meal prepping a ton just because I'm home and it's easier for me to just kind of cook on demand. Like I said, I don't really need a lot of prep. I'm home all day, but just with school starting and just I'm remembering that feeling of when I was a working mom and just how chaotic night times can be. So I think everybody can benefit from freezer cooking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have some of your favorite freezer meals, I'd love to hear them. So I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.